Halo mga kabangag sa mga kanabi, sa mga kapamilya. This is TV Boy Vlog Tite. Kakanta mo tayo mga kabangag. Practice tayo mga kabangag. Ngayon ko lang ito nakantang-kanta na ito. The night is white, heavy with regrets. I trace the road where all our heart had met. A shadow falls across the empty floor. A ghost that linger knocking at my door. The silent whisper secret I can't hide. Afraid of truth that tears me up inside. I still walk beneath this endless stream. I'm rising up, but you are far away. The echoes hide the word I dare to say. My heart still burns, although the flame's gone. I say your name, but no, I stand alone.
Kabag, to be continue.